everyone, in today's video we are going to make best butter cookies right in your kitchen. Stay tuned. So here are the ingredients we need. We need only 5 ingredients, and that is our butter, salt, flour, icing sugar, and our egg. So I left it here because I had to warm it a bit in my oven. So next is to add in our 70 grams of our icing sugar. So here is our 170 grams of flour. So we need to add in some pinch of salt here, and be adding our butter, our flour little by little. Then later we now add in the eggs. So right now I'm going to add in this one egg. And continue mixing. So next thing is to transfer it into our piping bag. So here is the mouth I'm going to be using for this cookie. So I'm going to be piping in these butter cookies. So I'm going to be baking it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see how our butter cookie is. You can see that at least it's normal. So let's give it a test, right? Let me take this one. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Remember to turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. Also, like and share this video. And thank you for joining me today. See you on my next video. Bye.